Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tackle how to use UPBASE for managing architectural design projects using the full 2025 guide. Let's dive right in. First off, log into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one, signing up is a breeze. The reason we do this is because UPBASE is our main tool for managing all aspects of our architectural design projects. Now that we're logged in, let's start by creating a new project. Navigate to the Projects tab and click New Project. Ensure you name your project appropriately for easy reference. This helps us because it keeps our work organized and easily accessible. Next up, we'll set up our project details. Here's where you input your project description, deadlines, and assign team members. This step is crucial because it sets the tone for the entire project, providing everyone with the necessary information to get started. Now let's move on to using the Tasks feature. In this section, you can create, assign, and monitor tasks. Each task can be assigned to a specific team member and given a deadline. The reason we do this is to ensure that every aspect of the project is accounted for and that everyone knows their responsibilities. All right, now that we've set up our tasks, it's time to utilize the Files section. This is where you can upload all relevant documents, drawings, and models for your project. This helps us because it centralizes all necessary documentation in one place, making it easily accessible for all team members. Finally, don't forget to use the Discussion feature. This platform within UPBASE allows for real-time communication and collaboration among team members. It is a vital tool for addressing queries, brainstorming ideas, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Let me explain why this matters. Clear communication can be the difference between a project's success and failure. And there you have it. You've learned how to use UPBASE for managing architectural design projects. Remember, the key is in the organization and clear communication, and UPBASE provides the perfect platform to achieve this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.